Today we're joining up 3 different types of pipe using a Philmac Tee. The pipe we're using is 3/4 inch normal gauge, yellow Flexi and blue MDPE pipe. The pipe has been cut square, there's no pipe preparation required. All we have to do is change one of the kits in this, as this T is for normal gauge. So we remove the normal gauge kit, remove the split ring and the rubber O-ring, and replace it with the split ring and O-ring for the metric pipe. White kit in, tighten it, leave 2 to 3 threads. Same with these. Pipes need liners, so yellow hose needs a red liner, normal gauge, red liner, blue pipe, white liner. Insert our pipe, past the O-ring, no resistance, give it a tighten with your hand. Same with the Flexi hose, no resistance again. And then tighten, and then just give a final squeeze with the spanner.